Before producing PS foam sheet, you need to prepare liquid butane. This is a booster pump with one red gas storage tank. Butane is injected into the butane pump through a booster pump, then its pressure is then injected into the first extruder. These are hoppers. The small hopper can put talcum powder. The big hopper contact automatic suction machine. This is the first extruder. There is a screen changer between the first and second extruders. This is second extruder. The foam sheet come out from head. The sheet be cut to pieces by the cutter and to be flattened. The top and bottom two black ones are static eliminators. The flattened rollers are controlled by direct connected motor. After flattening, the two sheets go to wind.